makes Micro special for us is more than that. The people here are very good and you can legit catch up with them at any stage of your life.
Our juniors were expecting कि हम रोएंगे, जैसे मतलब हमारे सीनियर्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा रोए थे, हम बहुत रोए थे उनके साथ. हमारे जूनियर्स रो रहे थे और हम नहीं रो रहे थे उतना ज़्यादा.
The guard was taking a video. Rajni went there and said hi.
And micro friends, I mean, all my batchmates were there for sure, but my seniors, like the +1 batch, they have crossed mountains and seas for helping me.
I will hold the mic like this and will just say mic drop and go away. So I came in the entire flow कि हाँ कुछ crazy करते हैं, sure नहीं आ रहा. I legit drop the mic.
Welcome to Light Talk Saxon, where stories aren't just shared, they are performed.
And today's episode, oh, it's full on natak, comedy, and emotional roller coaster, all packed in one.
Presenting box of memories featuring the dramebaz Zabardast speakers of Mic Drop.
So plug in, sit back, and get ready to laugh, cry, and sit. अरे ये तो हमारे क्लब में भी होता है.
So starting with the first question,
If you had to describe your 4-year journey as a Toastmaster in Mic Drop in just one line, using a famous quote or dialogue, what would it be?
It's not about the place, it's about the people.
और कुछ lines.
Individually.
मैं नशा करता हूँ तो सिर्फ छोड़ने के लिए.
The club of controversies.
Oh.
The club of getting caught on main gate.
It's pending this year.
Elaborate करना चाहोगे?
क्यों आपने
Due to some reasons we are not supposed to disclose the details.
second year and fourth year drama और main year.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, audience को dilemma में रखा जा रहा है. Second question, what's the funniest blooper you have had during a Mic Drop performance that you'll never forget?
Freestyle. Yeah, freestyle speech of Toastmasters and
बता बीच साइड.
it was 2 hours now.
अच्छा. 70 minutes is 2 hours. Okay.
No, technically.
Would you like to describe the mic drop moment?
Mic drop.
Yes.
Yeah, so there was an act happening in Entertainment. That was our orientation, and we all made a plan. At the end, there will be a virtual mic drop. Like I was a part, Shresh was a part, Pranjit was a part. Most of them was a part. Okay. Like I will hold the mic like this, and will just say mic drop and go away. So I came in the entire flow कि हाँ कुछ crazy करते हैं, sure नहीं आ रहा. I legit dropped the mic. The Sennheiser 40,000 wireless mic. I legit dropped and casually passed away as was nothing happened. People started asking me क्या क्या तुमने क्यों किया? I said God ही सब कुछ मेरे को नहीं पता. He was the God at that time.
For administrative purpose, इसके हाथ से फिसल गया था गलती से. Please.
और ये बात बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए.
That mic was already broken. You know, we have to put the beep now.
गलती से is the highlight.
Baaki, if one more blooper, like I was hosting an event and with a slip of a tongue I abused, but it got faded away because of a mic disturbance behind me.
Okay, like he abused and then when he उसी time पे speaker पे beep आया. Timing. It landed. Cosmic senses.
Moving on. If you could relive one mic drop moment in slow motion, which would it be and why?
500 feet.
Yeah.
What?
Agree.
500 feet.
Yes.
I would like to relive our farewell. It was very nice till it came to the part of science. It was already in slow motion. So yeah, we would like to fast forward that. But apart from that, like a very good.
Yeah, 500 meet was like amazing. Everyone was a part of it, and like there was everyone. Like no one missed it. So, yeah.
And that was like we had a mega treat after
Yeah.
that.
Like it is still known as like 20,000 dominoes.
Legend.
30.
It was 32,000 dominoes.
It was a rough number between
I have got a lot of second year entries after that.
That.
Yeah. Everybody's like, oh, भाई 20,000 की treat मिल रही है post meet में. तो ये club में कुछ होता है.
Yes, everyone was wearing good.
उसके बाद हर्षिता को बहुत सारी stories वहाँ पे.
And cake था Mic Drop के
माइक के लोगों के उसका
We were second years back.
Yeah.
first treat थी आपकी.
In Minecraft, after every meet, there is a post-meet treat. So we give treat after every meet.
Almost. That's not almost that. Almost every week.
So I still need to be one more.
Every super final year at home.
So moving on to next question. Any speech related mischief? What's the most ridiculous topic you have had to speak about impromptu in Minecraft?
I remember it was a jam meet and I was supposed to say about Santa Claus in
Okay, so who is most likely to cry during farewell speech?
Anaya.
Anaya.
She made up for her short speech by crying. So रोना हो गया तो इसलिए it was like
I mean, yeah, my speech was so nice. It was so short. It was 2 minutes long.
Telling language is not speech.
Wait, it was 2 minutes long and 1 minute I have spent crying. Like,
ठीक है अपना टाइम
वो सेकेंड ईयर में धारी हुई
वो तो हो जाता
वो अनुलोम
but वो I think last page पे रोते ही खत्म ही नहीं हुई.
Number of times you have practiced your graduation speech in the shower.
None.
Zero.
We do impromptu everything, even our presentations.
हमारी peace card gift करो.
and then he'll comment.
Heroes we love you.
Yeah.
Okay. Biggest fear: forgetting your lines or tripping on stage at farewell event.
None. Abusing on stage.
I think cracking a joke and looking at audience and they are not giving any reaction.
Actually, that's the
question
like
and not getting a response.
Yeah.
basically when
That
you prepare
leads to
for a
that.
thing and that doesn't land, that hurts most.
Yeah.
And the crowd is dead.
Yeah.
That's when we do mic drop. The real one. The most extreme
Or
case.
I will say in induction the crowd was going down. Then I was trying to interact with the audience and I asked a question. And it was all first years. Someone raised their hand and they started speaking. And they didn't stop for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes and they are speaking. And I'm like, can you please, like, it's okay, we will continue the induction. Now that person is still speaking. Last year, someone from my batch had to go and take their mic to be like, it's okay, you can sit now.
Okay. So tell us about a time when your Minecraft friends saved you from college disaster.
Anaya,
Always.
please.
Okay. So I was in my second year and I went through an accident. And Minecraft friends, I mean, all my batchmates were there for sure, but my seniors, like the +1 batch, they have crossed mountains and seas for helping me. Like my parents still remember their names, and it was not silent support, yeah, solidarity. It was them visiting me in my room, in my hospital room every second week. Them interacting with like the college officials and my parents. It was very heartfelt.
Oh.
Yeah, and main gate पे भी अगर
Second
होती
year.
होती है तो we are there for one another.
मेन गेट वाला किस्सा तो मेरे को जाना है.
Last बार main gate आ रहा है.
ये shut it down, camera का shut it down.
कोई नहीं 5 मिनट के लिए बीच चलेगा.
One eternity later.
उस दिन एक चीज सबको रियलाइज हुई थी कि जब मुसीबत आती है ना, पीपल थिंक दैट सबसे तेज भागना चाहिए. उस दिन रियलाइज हुआ कि सबसे तेज नहीं भागना चाहिए.
वो सबसे तेज भागने वाली चीज. So there was
Yeah.
this one time we were all like ज़्यादा late नहीं हुआ था. But
It was
some
like
minutes late.
5.
It was like 5 minutes late.
Second guess.
उस दिन बहुत ज़्यादा गलती नहीं थी हमारी. We were on a treat and hotel में थोड़ा late हो गया सबको. तो by the time we came back to the campus, it was like 10:15ish. But still, they stopped us at the main gate. Not only us, along with us are
A lot of
like
people are there.
2-3 others. So there was a huge crowd outside the main gate, and all the gates are closed. So this two girls, they were our seniors. So they pushed the little gate that is beside the main gateway. So they pushed, and the guard, he just moved aside a little bit, and they managed to push it open. सब भागे भाई वहाँ से धक्का मार के उसके बाद वो हमारे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने लगे वहाँ पे रियलाइज नहीं हुआ हुआ क्या प्रांजलि फिर वीडियो बनवा
Like one of the guard was taking a video. Pranjali went in and said hi.
Actually, like this was the first time I was breaking a rule. I didn't know what are we supposed to do. Like, are we supposed to say sorry? Are we supposed to run with the crowd? What are we supposed to do?
You just look at the camera.
आइसक्रीम भागो आइसक्रीम खाया तो फिर भागो पहले
The fastest time मैंने like
Then I saw everyone else ran away, so भागना चाहिए. But मैं बहुत अच्छे से फीचर हो गई हूँ.
Of course.
Yes.
ऐसे खाओ में पीछे
वैसे ये भागना वगैरह is like very standard to my group. Like after
Actually-
every post, after every meet, हम लोग कुछ खेलते हैं. हम
Lock and key.
हम lock and key खेलते हैं. या फिर हम रेस लगाते हैं. बस
हम
ये
अपने
सब
juniors को train करते हैं.
exercise करो.
What is the?
even in questionable state of art
Yes.
Okay. So what inside joke from Micro will you miss the most after graduation?
खुशबू बहुत खराब है.
Disco.
इस साक्षी का मैं क्या करूँ?
अरे
Yeah, one more.
And for
Jo-
context, no one in our shop is known as Sakshi. Yes.
One more thing. Joyless.
Joyless
Joyless.
Yeah, I was begging everybody कि joy luncheon चलते हैं. नहीं गया.
Zero.
जीरो के अब खत्म भी हो गया अब वो हमें बोल रहे हैं कि हमें
हाँ,
चलो
हाँ।
तो हमने बोला कोई बात नहीं
होता है.
Have you started a college bucket list? What's the craziest item on it?
श्रेष्ठ would you like to do the honors
My bucket list is complete technically, even though I have an year left.
with the last item things like the beach
Okay. That is confidential.
ये मुझे भी सब
सब पूरे कॉलेज
I guess, but if I were to say,
I'll
I would just say in this college I've done literally. I don't think there is a thing left or a mischief that doesn't has my name on it, even on official records.
मेरा मैक्स यही था कि मेरा ये था कि ऐसा कुछ करो कि नाम रह जाए. नाम तो रह गया. 4 हॉस्टल में 7 में नाम रह गया. सफर हॉस्टल अकेले दम पे बंद करा दिया पूरा. लोग खाने नहीं जा पाते अभी रात को. तुम लोग जाते हो क्या सफर?
नहीं जाने.
अभी जाना. अच्छी चीजें सुनने को
कल ही
मिलेंगी.
सुना नहीं जाने दे रहे 12 के बाद डिफिकल्ट है घुसना
किसी ने कुछ हरकत कर दी थी.
हमारे पास दोनों कल्प्रिट हैं.
वो किसी
रोजली
में कुछ नहीं
रोजली like that has always
के बालों से
मैं सुन.
यार इकलौती खाने की जरूरत है
अच्छा
But on a serious note, अगर कुछ बोलना है तो we had a thing कि पूरा एटलीस्ट हमारा बैच ट्रिप पे जाता है वो नहीं हो पाया आज तक कभी.
अरे
हो गया.
कुछ लोग नहीं थे. कुछ लोग नहीं थे. पूरा नहीं था.
What's the most daring thing you have done in your college life?
सफर हॉस्टल में घुस गया था. फिर कुछ किया था.
मैं भी घुस गई थी
फिर कुछ किया था.
मैं भी घुसी थी गाइस
डिफाइन कुछ
एक्सप्लेन करो
ये लो.
थोड़ा सा. ओके.
1 घंटा नहीं.
तो मैं सफायर हॉस्टल में घुसा था इन माय 3rd ईयर. ओके. आई वाज देयर विद वन ऑफ माय बैचमेट. मैगी खाने गए थे ऑफ कोर्स. वहां पे हमारे सुपर फाइनल बैठे हुए थे. कुछ इंटरेक्शन चल रहा था. मेरा दोस्त वहां पे इंटरेक्शन दे रहा था. मैंने सोचा मैगी जब तक आते हैं कुछ मस्ती की जाए. मैं भी चला गया इंटरेक्शन देने. वो इंटरेक्शन बढ़ते मेरे को बोला कुछ ऐसा डेयरिंग कर जिससे सबकी हट जाए. मैंने फिर पूछा सर ये हॉस्टल किसका है. मतलब तू मेरे से पूछे हॉस्टल कौन है. फिर सीनियर मेरे से पूछे हॉस्टल किसका है. पहले आस्ते बोला किसका है. फिर थोड़ा तेज बोला किसका है. फिर बोला वो है कौन. फिर पूरा नेस्कैफे के आगे इफ यू गाइस नो वहां पे नेस्कैफे एकदम सेंटर ऑफ द हॉस्टल में है. तो पूरा वहां पे खड़े होके टॉप ऑफ द वॉइस पे चिल्ला है एक्वा तक आवाज गई है. सब लोग आ गए थे वहां पे ढूंढने की किसने बोला. मैं तब भी वहां मैगी खा रहा. मेरे से कोई पूछ रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम मदर टंग. मेरे से पूछ रहा है इन दैट मदर टंग की कौन था ये. मैंने बोला देखो दूसरे भाग रहा पकड़ो जाके. वो सब उधर चले गए. फिर हम दोनों आराम से मैगी खाए. वापस एक्वा आए. एफा में बालकनी में गए, फिर वही सेम चीज चल रहा है, फिर अगले दिन से बंद हो गया सब। वो तो नहीं बता सकता।
मतलब उसके बाद बहुत गालियाँ पड़ी हमें, उसके बाद हमें परमिशन नहीं मिली।
Cons of being a coordinator.
Yeah.
And I was the president and तो सबको डांट पड़ी, किसका आइडिया था?
मैं बस बच गया।
Like there's another friend who is not present and he was a body of Manthan and he's in Hydro. उसने भी गाली दी।
मतलब एक साथ सब गाली खा रहे हैं except him क्योंकि ये गिरा के निकल गया था।
निकलना ही होता है, खाने तो नहीं रहता।
नहीं प्लान नहीं
I hope हाइट के वजह से छोड़ दिया।
If you could leave behind one prank for the next Minecraft batch, what would it be?
प्रैंक यही वाला।
वो तो कोई नहीं करता है।
Like if it's meant to be mischievous, it's very basic, but basically take an Oreo packet, remove the cream and put toothpaste in it.
ये तो हम try कर सकते हैं। Okay. What's the weirdest prop you have used in micro performance that you're planning to steal as a swimming pool?
हाँ बहुत सारा। अरे
Chewed pen क्या? Chewed pen.
socks without the toes part।
One shoe.
hand pin use किया।
या फिर randomly चलते-चलते ऊपर
नहीं कोई लगा
Like basically there was a project named as Sell It If You Can. So in that project we need to sell the most random ass things as possible. Like my team, me and my friends sold a chewed pen cap and we sold it like it is chewed by Narendra Modi, so we are selling that and it is recyclable.
torn newspaper, chewed pen cap।
या फिर randomly नीचे से ऐसा we pick up anything like any anything and we are like ये Harry Potter का wand है, seed can come from anywhere।
What's the most embarrassing Minecraft moment that you will laugh about for years to come?
That we cannot tell because that was in questionable state।
Yes.
There have been very I think okay, I can tell this one. I think during our farewell. So we have we have to give speeches right at the end of the farewell. So उसके sequence set करनी थी. तो what our management did is they prepared a set of games for us to decide a thing. Like whoever would win the game would give their speech first. So I was very competitive. I was very competitive at that time. We played musical chairs. And we played like 3 rounds of musical chairs. पहला round हुआ, second round हुआ, and third round में I got so competitive that I lunged. I died on that chair and I fell. ऐसे मतलब एकदम पैर ऊपर हवा में ऐसे. And उन लोगों ने पहले 2 के जो rounds थे ना, उन दोनों का वीडियो बनाया. बस मैं गिर गई उसका वीडियो. I landed in somebody's lap.
और इसके गिरने के बाद भी लोग इसको नहीं उठा रहे, लोग पहले चेयर को उठा रहे हैं। ये गिरी नहीं है।
उसके बाद मैं हंसे जा रही है। पहला क्वेश्चन वीडियो है ना।
Dude, but still, वो speeches का ऐसे हो रहा था ना, तो I was supposed to be after center because I lost before center, like last में उल्टा हुआ. I am telling everyone कि मैं इसके बाद नहीं बोलूँगी, please इसको last में करो, and everyone thought मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ. We know the consequences.
Speech।
If he was 1 minute 1 hour 10 minutes or so, she was also 47 minutes.
I gave personalized message, please. Next, please.
Tell us about a time when Minecraft skills saved you from a sticky situation in college life.
Every interview we say in corporate, we don't know anything, still we say something that the interviewer gets so impressed by us that हाँ ये भी बनता है, इसी को लेंगे.
The HR questions भाई ऐसे
Why?
मतलब
Like interviewers are never like
HR interview 15 minutes से 1 hour करना है वो हमको।
Why? Like interviewers are like कि लगता ही नहीं कि तुम्हारा first interview है life का, या फिर you are a little nervous and you think.
कभी-कभी अटेंडेंस भी हो जाता है कि यार एब्सेंट चढ़ गई, 6 एब्सेंट करवा दो.
मेरा intern like when we were going there for intern season, so even there we have taken up this stage and the entire auditorium is awed कि okay you speak really well, you know, because you can win over audience by your speaking skills. Yeah. So that was one thing that I think Mycroft is given.
Like for me personally, it would be there was some questionable material caught by my parents, and to which the questioning began with the first thing. तुम्हारे होठ काले क्यों हो रहे हैं? Series of questions went on, and I did manage to convince that it isn't me. It was my senior who did this. I have science, even though I don't.
Okay.
What's your biggest fear about public speaking after college? Wrong answers, Anshu.
Might be in front of the wrong public.
Okay.
Wrong answers.
Trying to do as an impromptu funny stuff in an office presentation mood in front of audience. Yeah.
Chatting CSK in social awards. Yeah, no, social background.
By the way, what's your favorite team?
CSK.
Emma,
CSK.
या मैं बात से जाके डोसा इडली बनाना इडली सांभर चटनी
If your future self could send a message to your first year Mycroft self, what hilarious advice would you give?
Coding.
Body
Says
मत
the guy with body
बनना body. Body मत बनना.
Explanation क्यों?
पता नहीं चला कि बॉडी बनने के बाद क्या
जब ऐसे लोग माइक गिरा के बोल देंगे कि कॉडी से बात करना।
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं वैसे ही बोल
टेक्निकली आधा माइक्रो
do you have anything to say to your crush?
ये तिवारी बोलेगा
दिवाली
दोनों माइक
Mycroft skills काम आते हैं क्या crush को बताने के लिए?
बस इसी में
वो तो सारी चीजें
मेरे शायद से पता है मैं नहीं बता
So आप बस all night study करते हो?
हां जब मैं स्टडी करता हूं
ऐसा ऐसा मैंने देख के लगता है ऐसा है नहीं.
This is the biggest illusion.
Okay, Anshu, listen.
To our crush in another lifetime. In another lifetime.
At least you get the experience of what not to do.
तिवारी बोलेगा सब मुझसे पूछ के बताता
Cut.
Question pass करना.
अरे I'm so sorry मैं busy हूँ. Next life में आपको crush होने की
और कोई?
तिवारी का
Ma'am, unexpected. क्या बोल
अरे
उधर है मैं. सबके तरफ से in another lifetime.
Okay.
वो डिएटेड
sorry busy.
What's the funniest yet most hurtful way you have thought of saying goodbye to Mycroft?
Funniest.
funniest
Funniest yet most heartfelt.
रोस्ट करके.
अरे नहीं फेयरवेल में हम लोग रोए नहीं
और जूनियर्स एक्सपेक्टिंग कि हम रोएंगे. ऐसे मतलब हमारे सीनियर्स काफी ज्यादा रोए थे. हम बहुत रोए थे उनके साथ.
Like
हमारे जूनियर्स हो गए थे और हम भी रोए थे उनके साथ.
हम लोग एक दूसरे को फिर भी रोस्ट ही कर रहे हैं लास्ट तक
वो टाइम से मतलब से
Like,
एकदम
I guess
गाने
what-
बजा रहे हैं लेकिन फिर भी हम नहीं रो रहे.
I guess what would have been the most hurtful, like people were crying and we were laughing because they are crying.
yeah
But it was fun to roast your batchmates, and then obviously we had that crying wala part when the invitations were distributed and everything. But जब farewell वाली कुछ थी तो सबने इतना हंसा दिया अपनी speech में कि तब kind of मतलब एक दूसरे को call.
Everybody was our farewell meet in our what happened was everybody was saying as a personalized messages to each of our batchmates. So things were repeating. So ये कि भाई सुन लिया हो एक बार कि हाँ मैं ऐसी लगती हूँ ऐसा तो approachable लगती हूँ.
अने सबने unapproachable बोल दिया कि भाई ऐसे
And इसको sorry सफा पता नहीं हाँ तो वही मतलब ऐसे वापस चीजें रिपीट हो रही like they are calling me unapproachable, they are calling Madhumsa very studious, Kashish very studious, They're calling
कोई
Beba.
पढ़ने वाला नहीं
Does
होता।
not go with my personality, but ठीक है.
Yeah, it's the same thing repeating again and again. So we just kind of lost our emotions. It's not desensitized.
चलिए आप sentence.
हमारी still है।
If you had to phrase your journey right now to sum up your mic drop journey, what would you say?
बोला तो. It's not about the place, it's about the people.
Yeah, it's been always
My job
crazy.
motto.
Like, technically speaking, apart from the skills that we have learned aside, and it has definitely shaped a lot part of our personality. But what makes mic drop special for us is more than that. The people here are very good, and you can legit catch up with them at any stage of your life, and you would be like that. You have just talked yesterday.
Gel up कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, like you don't have to worry about कि college से निकलने के बाद ये लोग से बात नहीं होगी. It's very easy to catch up with them. And like some of our seniors said, like micro friendships are low maintenance friendships. So yeah.
You won't feel like कि तुमने 1 महीने से बात नहीं किया, तुम 2 महीने से क्लब नहीं आया, तो तुमसे कोई मतलब तुम alienated feel करोगे. ऐसा ये तुम हमारे inclusive भी feel करोगे.
Okay. Finally, if your time in mic drop was a movie, what would be its title and who would play it?
जिंदगी ना
जिंदगी ना मिले.
Wow.
Yeah.
I would love to say Katrina Kaif, but
Yeah.
मानुषी चिल्लर.
अरे यार।
कृति सैनन या मानुषी चिल्लर.
उसने मूवी पूछा है यार.
Actor.
अच्छा.
मानसी चुन।
मानुषी चिल्लर.
आपको क्या
Jake
कौन-
Gyllenhaal.
Jake Gyllenhaal।
Jake Gyllenhaal.
नशेड़ी without नशे.
Translate probably Rashmika Mandanna.
Some Bengali character।
Yogesh Bakshi.
कौड़ी
और
सब-
शेष का?
अरे Sherlock Holmes.
चलो।
क्या?
ना भाई।
मानुषी चिल्लर, योगेश बच्चन, Sherlock Holmes. ये मेरी एक मूवी में ये तो देखूंगी मैं.
Okay, so now we'll start some rapid fire questions. First question: if your farewell speech were turned out into a meme, what would it be?
But he started when it was dark, he ended when it was sunrise.
इसका स्पीच खत्म हो सब कोई रो नहीं रहा।
Like one of our batchmates finally वो 3 बार खड़ा होकर clap कर रहा है.
But we still love Sandhar.
Yeah. And on a serious note, Sandal's speech was really good.
Consolation prize दिया जा रहा है।
Consolation prize दिया जा रहा है. He is a very kind.
हमें हमारे बारे में
तुम्हें अगर वो जैसे की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखने का मन करे तो देखना.
हमें हमारे बारे में भी इतना नहीं पता है जितना हमने
Sandal the first year से 4th year तक हर एक बंदे के साथ जो इंसिडेंट हुआ एक जो मोमेंट आते हैं उसके साथ डिस्क्राइब किया।
मूवी बन रही थी ना वो देख लो।
भाई डॉक्यूमेंट्री निकलेगी.
Like I have seen movies smaller than 7 seconds.
I kind of like
ये तो mic drop है.
ये वाला गिरा देगा.
What's your go-to excuse when someone asks why you are late for practice?
नींद आ रही है। सो गया।
सो गए
So
हमारी सीनियर के लिए बहुत लेम
तिवारी एक्सक्यूज है।
मैं बोलूँगी कि तब खराब.
I have little legs. Please walk slow.
Not my problem.
डेड हो गया। अरे जूनियर है ना बैड हो गया। हाँ एक जूनियर है उसका वो कुछ भी बोलो नहीं आ रहा उसका बैड हो गया।
That is sad यार. मतलब
मेरे को वीडियो देखेगा क्या सच्ची.
अगली बार से नहीं देगा।
इस बार हाथ टूटने का डर
इसे
है.
थोड़ा
Okay. Who's most likely to start their speech with "Once upon a time" and make it sound completely serious?
both of them.
अरे नहीं होगी।
हाँ,
आगे से।
और ये front benches.
Yeah, my friend.
All three presidents.
All the presidents. Oh, have been presidents, that too in order.
Yeah, to be a micro president तुम्हें ज्ञान फैलना आना चाहिए.
Once upon a time.
हाँ, सकते हैं इसमें. अब इससे आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Move on.
If you had to deliver a speech using only emojis, which three would dominate your script?
I want to do Anikeesh's favorite emoji. Come on, anybody. Shrish. Shrish. नहीं. Shaya.
Like, a one.
Wink emoji.
Wink, face palm, and what the fuck.
For a website, would definitely be 3 winky emojis to Anand.
Yeah.
For Tiwari, it will be 3 broken hearts. And in the middle, feeding water.
What's the funniest thing someone has whispered to you right before you went on stage?
अरे बाइक मत गिराना.
That's the
बोल सकते हैं क्या ये? एक पेन मार के जाते हैं. We are hosting Manthan's event and it is some other club's event and we've gone there for hosting and वहाँ पे कि एक तो मार के जा सकते हैं. ये आता है स्टेज
ज़्यादा open up होता है सब एक. Okay.
ऐसे भी.
So, if Minecraft hosted an award ceremony, what award would you win? Best dramatic pause, most likely to forget lines, or funniest speech?
Most likely to not forget his lines. funniest you should go to get. And other ones?
Best dramatic pause.
To cry.
She cried.
इसने आधी speech दी and then she took a pause and फिर रोने लगी.
कि मेरे पास कंटेंट नहीं है. बताना है क्या करूँ.
इतना content मेरा वाला मेकअप कर दिया इसने.
अरे शांति ने स्पीच समरी. College life.
If your speeches were food, what dish would they be? Spicy biryani?
That's Shresh to describe.
Actually-
After every speech, we have an evaluation. And Shresh gives evaluation in his own way of a dish, like describing a dish.
Okay.
One of the could be your speech was garnished with tinctures of sassiness, then further garnished with freshly brewed sarcasm and served
Bas,
on.
bas. Oh yeah. Fresh.
And served hot. With a दो plate
Yeah, even that's
क्या?
last का है
नहीं हाँ खत्म होने आया.
So, who in Minecraft is most likely to accidentally start their speech with "Dear Diary" instead of addressing the audience?
Pranjali.
कोई incident ऐसा?
But that is one thing.
No, like I would say, like I'm like kind of a storyteller. I like writing stories, so in a situation I can.
Okay, slowly flexed.
No, not as well.
So silly.
Like after you have someone in club who can do it better than me, which is not a flex anymore.
Since first year we've been taught that, you know, like you can frame the ongoings in your daily life and then mold it into your piece card,
Yeah.
whatever like we are given a table topic. So that is one thing that we always practiced. That is how you develop in problem. So she does that. मतलब not practiced.
मतलब बताते हैं ना जब evaluation
Like
कि how can
given
we
a
spice
table
it up?
topic, we try to incorporate our daily life things mostly.
What's one thing you would never admit about your public speaking skills, but we all know it anyway?
Can you read the question, please?
What's one thing you would never admit about your public speaking skills, but we all know it anyway?
we give prepared speeches without preparing.
True. Nice.
I don't know if there's a ritual with me, but whenever I write a speech for 2 or 3 days, like investing all of my time, and on the speech on the speech day I tear it and write a new one.
Okay. So that's
That's
all.
it.
Thank you, senior.
Anything you would like to say by your side
But,
to your juniors?
देखो हमने बहुत रोज
So रोने वाले ने भी थोड़ी short line.
Only one advice that like everyone in my group can say is like when a student comes in first year, उसके बाद लोग बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं, career बनाते हैं, दोस्ती करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं. The one thing that will actually remain with everything is not how many internships you crack, what job you get. The only thing that will remain after college life are the memories you make with the closest people. And choosing the closest people is by far the most difficult task that people face in college life.
In micro, I feel that the club does not just teach you public speaking and conversational skills. It teaches you how to actually in real life interact and make friendships also. Because I don't think I have anything in common as such with any of these people sitting here. And still I'm very good friends with them. And how can you, every one of these people here has many friendships in college. They talk to a lot of people. So that's what my job is, okay, step out and interact.
See, we gelled up with you also, right? So you're standing here, you're being entertained, we can see that. So that is the thing, na? The club teaches you how to gel up with people, and that helps when you go outside, you work in corporate or wherever. So yeah.
Do you have to do something for the conclusion of the video?
1, 2, 3.
It's
It's
not
not
about the
place,
place, it's about the people.